Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about board control for Manitowoc part #76-2782-3. Board control for Manitowoc part #76-2782-3 is a replacement part for Manitowoc ice machines. It is a circuit board that controls the operation of the machine. It is responsible for controlling the temperature, water level, and other functions of the machine. The board also contains a timer to control when the machine should start and stop making ice. This part is essential for proper operation of the ice machine and should be replaced if it becomes damaged or faulty. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a control board for a Manitowoc ice machine, so it would not fix any symptoms. It is a replacement part that would be used to replace a faulty or damaged control board. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that come with the board. Control for Manitowoc part #76-2782-3. 2. Ensure that you have all the necessary tools and materials to complete the installation. 3. Turn off power to the unit before beginning installation. 4. Mount the board in its designated location and secure it with screws or bolts, as instructed in the manual. 5. Connect all wiring as instructed in the manual, making sure to follow all safety precautions and codes. 6. Test the board for proper operation before turning on power to the unit again. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.